welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to recover deleted TikTok videos. So let's get started. So if you want to recover your deleted TikTok videos, so to do that what you can do is just simply open up your TikTok, and after opening up your TikTok just tap on the profile icon which is on the bottom right. After tapping on your profile icon just tap on the gear icon which is on the top right, then tap on settings and privacy. Inside your settings and privacy just scroll all the way down and then tap on report a problem. So after tapping on report a problem, now what you have to do is from here you just have to scroll all the way down and then tap on submit a report. And now what you can do is just simply enter the feedback that I'll type in. So what you can do is just simply copy and paste the same feedback and then tap on submit. After tapping on submit, your videos should be recovered. So it might take some time, like it will take 12 or 24 hours, but your videos will be recovered from TikTok. So that's it guys, this is how to recover deleted TikTok videos. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.